Hello everyone, I'm Noah. Welcome back to Easy Noah channel. Hi, đầm tặng mơ kể thằng nào hiên nghe. Easy Noah channel panin hong mok keging. So in this video, you will learn how to call your relative names and your non-relative names. So if you are ready, let's get started. So as you see in here, the title is Min gelh dan. Min gelh dan. Min chỉ rằng á name. Gelh dan chỉ rằng á how to call. Min gelh dan chỉ rằng á how to call names. How can we call names? So in the brackets, I wrote understanding family relationship names. So there are 8 kind of names that I listed. Và hiện là khi khát ban get can adika được tiếng atupia được tiếng get mà sao mà tôi hiện là bà number khăn đọc tên bà chắc cái gì mà bà b a bà dad nú chẳng là bên mother mà mommy à chị nè nú chắc cái gì mà number khăn là bà number nè nú Chang nama thumna eisang auzate pen isap chang nue ai zong pasalai zong u cha ke samjyo ma tua hina tua eisang auzate zong e na hila pen eisang auzate pen u cha ke samina chang amawi min nyau ta zong ke sam the ma gen te na ama pen kup kupi cha ke sam bang hila nang u hup cha sam the liền pi bang hila u lian cha nang sam the luôn sen bang hila nang u luôn cha sam the ai kya le u kim bang hila kim nu bang hila nang u kim cha sam the ja ma. So in Zomi culture we call our elder brothers and sisters by using the word you, not sorry, is u. So if you call somebody who is older than you, you might call him u plus his last name. His last name can be Lian, Kang, Gap, Bao, right? So for example, his last name, let's say his last name is Kapi, so you can call him Ukap. For me, for my nickname is Tangno, so my younger sisters and brothers will call me Utang. U plus my nickname Utang. Like that, younger brother, younger sister, we call them now. If you wanna call them with your names, like I mentioned, we call them as an now plus their last name. So I have 2 sisters and their last name are Sung and Luon. So I will call them now Sung or now Luon. It's very common to call by their nickname with now, with the title of now. So now chị bé ấy sang nào rất trẻ u chị chăng ấy sang ảo rất trẻ mà thì na năm bắt ngà là ending chỉ là nhì nhì mà cái này nhì chả cái sim tôi hay là có nghe năm khá bằng em chỉ là nhì kem bắp bên nhì chả cái sắm hết rồi mà nhì ít chị té bên ít ba ý sang cầm té bên nhì chả cái sắm mà ini pas ở bên gần cái gì igang easy pen ni cái gì mà tôi hay là tôi chấp nhận right now in Zomi culture we don't call everybody aunt, we don't call every woman ni. So this is, you must be careful. Ni is only for the women who are from your dad's side. So you must call your dad's sisters by the title of ni. Okay, so I will explain it later in details. And gang, we read as gang, Gang, gang. Gang, gang is uncle. Okay, uncle. And yeah, the next is B and bull. B and bull. Don't read P or pie. You have to read B without pa. Like, forget about the English pronunciation because we are learning Zomi language, right? So forget about the P sounds. Pronounce it B. So we read B for grammar, Bu for grandpa. So let me repeat it again. And I think in number 3 and 4, I'm switched. Sorry for that. Okay. Let's start from number 1. So here, pa, dad, nu, mommy, u, elder, brother, elder sister.
So
now,
this is the second slide.
Now, younger
And
brother
this slide is
or
for
younger
your
sister.
mom's side, names for your mom's side.
Or aunt.
And
Ni,
so let's start. Number
aunt
one.
or aunt.
Number one is your mom's
Gang,
eldest brother.
gang,
You must
uncle,
call your
B,
mom's
grandma,
eldest brother
Bu,
Pupi.
grandpa.
And
Okay.
yeah, this is very common to call your mom's eldest brothers Pupi, but in some cases, your mom's uncle brothers might not want to be called like Pupi. Also, you can call him with him like Pu plus his last name. For example, if his last name ends with Kai, you can call him Pu Kai. Okay, but this is not common. The common thing is to call him by Pupi. Okay. So the second is your mom's eldest sister. You must call her Nupi, and this is very common. You must call her Nupi. That is the rule. And for example, my mom has her eldest sister, so I call her Nupi. Okay. So the next, number 3. Number 3 is your mom's elder sister or brother. For your mom's elder sister, you must call her Nu plus last name. Okay, not eldest, but this time this is elder. So, let's say your mom's elder sister names ends with Jing, so you can call her Nu Jing. Or if her name ends with Call, you can call her Nu Call. Okay, so for the brother, let's say his last name ends with Lian. So how can you call him? Yeah, is Pu Lian, Pu Lian, Pu Lian. Okay, Pu Lian. The next is your mom's youngest sister and brother. So we can call them Nuno or Puno. It's very short and it's easier and it's better. Nuno for your mom's youngest sister and Puno for your mom's youngest brother. Okay, but if you want to call them by their names, you can call Pu plus last name and Nu plus last name. Let's say your mom's youngest sister names ends with Nuam. You can call her Nuam, but it is not the rule. It is not common to call youngest sister, your mom's youngest sister by their last name, it's better to call her Nuno or Nuboy. And I want you to use the formal ones. Nuno, Puno, okay? Okay, let's see the next number 6. Your mom's brother's wife. So we can call her B plus her last name. For example, let's say her last name ends with Lian. We can call her Bilian, okay? But there is an exception. If she is your mom's eldest brother's wife, you must call Pipi, okay? Her husband will be called Pupi, and she will be called Pipi, okay? Pipi, the same words, but different tones, different intonation, different stress, I mean. Yeah. Pipi, okay? You must call Pipi, Pipi, okay? And for the youngest brother's wife, you must call her Pino, okay? Pino, 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 okay? Pino is okay, Pino or Pino, okay? So the last, number 7. Number 7 is your mom's sister's husband. So your mom's sister's husband, you must call him Pa plus last name. For example, let's say his last name ends with Tung, so you must call him Putung, okay? Pu plus last name Tung, Putung, okay? Hope you got it. So let's move to the next slide. So this slide is about names for your dad's side. So let's see number 1. Number 1 is your dad's brothers. So it's depend on the order. Let's say the order. So for the eldest, you must call him Papi, and for the youngest, you must call him Pano. For the middle child, you must call them Pa plus last name. It's easy, and I hope you can do it without giving you the example sentence. So but I want to help you, so let me give you something to think. So let's say your dad's brother's names is Tang, and Tang is his last name, okay? So how can you call him? Yeah, he's not the youngest, he's not the eldest, so how can you call him? Yeah, that's true. You must call him Pa plus last name. Okay, so Pa Tang, okay? Pa Tang. Okay, so number 2, your dad's sisters. It is different. This time it is no Nu, but Ni, okay? And I gave you like Ni plus last name, Ni Pi, Ni Neo or Nino, okay? So Ni Pi is for the elder sister, and if you don't want to call her Ni Pi, you can just call her one word, Ni, okay? And for the youngest, Ni Neo or Nino, okay? Ni Neo is more common, and Nino is, some people use Nino, okay? And number 3, your uncle's wife. Oh, which means here is not basically mean gang, but uncle here means your dad's brother's wife. So how can you call them? You can call them Nu plus last name. Nu, for example, let's say her last name ends with Man. You can call her Numan, okay? Or if she is the eldest brother's wife, you can call her Nupi. And if she is, let's say, if she is the youngest brother's wife, you can call her Nunel or Nuno. Okay, Nunel. Okay, for the last, number 4, your niece husband. Your niece husband. Your niece husband. So, it's your aunt husband. So you must call him Gang plus last name or Gang or Gangneo. Gang, one word, that is for the eldest. I mean, if your niece, if your aunt is the eldest in her sibling, her husband will be called Gang or Gangbi. And for the youngest, you must call him Gangneo because he is the youngest sisters. And let's say you are Gangneo. Why you are called Gangneo? Because you are the youngest sister's husband. So you are called Gangneo. For the middle children, they are just Gang plus last name. For example, Gang Lian, Gang Tang, Gang Mung. Okay, Gang plus last name. So this is the last slide for this lesson, and don't give up. So let's get to the point. Let's read number 1. You can call your cousins by using the titles U and Now with their last names. And I think you know how when to use U and when to use Now, right? So for example, U Thang, U Lian, Now Kim, or Now Kim. So look at the first name, U Thang. So if you call somebody U Thang, is he older than you or younger than you? Yes, that's correct. He is older than you. So let's see the second. Ulian. So Ulian, is he older than you or younger than you? That's correct. He is older than you. Okay, so now Kim or now Kim. So Kim, Kim can be female name or male name. It depends on the sound. If you say now Kim, it means you are calling a girl. If you pronounce that name now Kim, you're calling a boy. Okay, you're calling a boy. So let's practice. Now Kim or now Kim. Okay, let's first. When I say now Kim or now Kim, so you call somebody now Kim or now Kim. Are they younger than you or older than you? Yeah, that's correct. They are younger than you. Why? Because you call them now, right? Now means younger brother or younger sister. Okay. Number 2. If someone is younger than you, you can call him or her by his or her nickname. So let's say there is a young girl who is younger than me. Her nickname is Lunel, so I can call her Lunel. But if I want to be more polite, if I want to be more formal, I can call her Now Lun. If we call somebody Now Lun who is younger than us, it's very polite and it shows you that you're a kind person. So number 3, there's some mistakes in the sentence, but I hope you can understand me. Sorry for that. So number 3 wants you to know that if there is someone who has the same age or who has a little bit older or younger, only in months, you can just call them without adding the titles u and now. You can just call them by their nicknames. So number 4, if an elderly person has the same age as your mom or dad, you can call them by adding nu or pa before their last name. So you can call them nu vung, nu lian, nu jing, or pa lian, pa hao, pa khup, pa nang. Okay. The next, number 5, if an elderly person who has the same age as your grandpa or grandma, you can call that person P or Pu, or P plus last name, or Pu plus last name. It is more polite to call the elder people Pu or Pi. Pi is for female, Pu is for male. Okay, I hope you understand the lessons, and if you have any questions about these lessons, you can comment it and I will check and answer your question when I have time. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you all understand this lesson and like this video, and don't forget to share this lesson to the one who needs. And that's for all today. Bye for now.